Jai Gurudev. This video is for all those Art of Living teachers and volunteers who want to make posters for courses. Part 1 course, Shishi Yoga course, Satsang, follow-up, Guru Puja or any other Art of Living events. You can make poster by yourself without any expenses. What do you need for this? Only one mobile or laptop or computer. With the help of some good AI tools, you can make posters as per your choice. And you have to just give one command. On that command, that AI tool will make poster for you and you can use that poster. There are many good AI tools in market and many will more come. Right now, I am preferably using ChatGPT for making posters. Let's explore more about this. So let's start making. Let's open ChatGPT first. If you don't have account, you can make an account for free on ChatGPT. And let's start writing a prompt. Make a poster for Art of Living Part 1 course. Write some benefits of the course. These are all instructions we are giving to ChatGPT. Previously, we used to say it as a command. Nowadays, we have to say it as a prompt. We are giving prompt to ChatGPT. Date, time, place is most important. Contact person, phone number, email ID, and registration link. So you can write this very carefully. I am choosing some random date, random venue, time, everything is just random. Date is 15th to 17th May. Venue is AOL Ashram. You can see I am not writing any city or any country name, just random. Timing is 6 to 9 p.m. Contact person 12345. Email ID aol@aol.com and registration link. After putting all these details, I will recommend to recheck all this because this is important. With this detail, a person will reach you. So double check this basic details. Now these are some more instructions. If you give it, your poster will become even more attractive. Kindly use nice colors. Sometimes they use too bright colors. That's why we have to say nice colors. Some good props. In props, they can add yoga mat or some things like this, which is good for yoga programs. Sometimes they add yoga bricks also, your meditation chair also. Then we have to write some more things like attractive poster for social media sharing. Thank you. And now we are waiting for our poster. This line you can read, creating image. This will change every 5 to 10 seconds. First was creating image, then sketching, now again creating, then again sketching it out. Every 5 to 7 seconds, these instructions will change here. Now it's making your poster. We have to have patience. Now our poster is ready. You can see this is such an amazing poster. We have just given one prompt and your poster is completely ready. This looks like a magic. Now time to save this poster. So I have downloaded. Now let's check. This checking is important. Art of Living logo is good. Art of Living name, course. Breathe better, live better, be better. See, benefits of the course: reduce stress, improve mental clarity, emotional balance, increase energy, better relationship. These are the props. You can see yoga mat, Art of Living logo, bag, date, venue, time, contact, email, and registration link. Everything he has taken so nicely. Now the fun begins. Now we want to make same poster in Hindi. We are doing here in English, in Hindi, in German and Croatian. 4 languages. I will show you how to make this. Now again waiting. The same poster will come to you in Hindi and we have to check it again. This checking is important. This is ChatGPT AI. It makes some mistakes sometimes. So we have to again give it a command to rectify the mistake. Adding final touches. One last week. Okay, we are waiting. We are waiting. We are still waiting. Make a nice poster. See, the same poster with same message in Hindi is ready for you. Now again we have to download it and check it once again. See, if you know Hindi, it will be good for you to understand. Like, I can see one mistake here in Hindi. If you see some mistake, you have to rectify it. Now we'll make same poster in German. So I am giving prompt make same poster in German. Now it's again making, creating image. When I started doing it, first time when a first poster came, it was like a magic for me. Like, oh my goodness, I am just giving one prompt and your poster is completely ready. I don't know German and Croatian. So if you know German and if you see some mistake, please forgive that mistake. To ChatGPT also and to me also. This is just for your understanding. You can make so many nice posters with the help of ChatGPT. Especially we can make posters for all Art of Living courses. All Art of Living courses, it can prepare so nice posters. Oh my goodness, in German it has given us 2 posters. This is so generous, so nice. So let's select one. I have selected this one and again saving the image. First work is to download it, save it in your mobile and then check it. So I don't know German, so I'm just keeping it for your information here. Now let's move towards Croatian poster. So I'm giving a prompt, make same poster in Croatian. And this is beginning. After this, I will show you some more amazing things which can be done with the help of ChatGPT or any good AI tool. There are many AI tools. You can use anyone, whichever is comfortable for you. You can speak all this. I am typing here right now, but you can speak also all this, and whichever language you speak, it can make a poster in that language for you. Adding final touches. Yes, we are waiting for it. One last tweak. Okay, take your time. Wow, so nice. So, this is Croatian version is also ready. Download it and check it. I don't know Croatian nicely, so I'm keeping it for your reference here. You can check. And if there is any mistake, you can forgive me and ChatGPT both. Our apologies. Now the amazing part begins. We want a message for social media sharing from the same poster. So I'm giving prompt, write a message. I'm sorry I wrote make here, but write a message in English for the same poster for social media sharing. And within seconds your message is ready. Now again with hashtags you can see. Now write a same message in Hindi. See, within seconds, message in Hindi is ready. Now, write same message in German. I'm sorry, I'm writing make, but I'm speaking it correctly, right? Look at this. Within seconds, message is ready. Now your responsibility is to check it. If there is any mistake, you can correct it. Now it's in Croatian. Write same message in Croatian. See, within second, your message is ready, your poster is ready, and now let's enjoy email part. How to write email? Write email out of this poster in English. See, within seconds, your email is ready. Just click this copy button and paste it in your email and send it to your participants. Write email in Hindi. Within seconds, email in Hindi is ready. Isn't it amazing? This had made our job so easy. Write email in German. See, your email in German is ready. Now the last one. Write email in Croatian. Your email in Croatian is ready. You can make posters as you wish. This is such an amazing tool for everyone. We can do many more amazing things in poster making. We can create poster with the photograph of teacher. We can create poster for higher level programs. I have created some. I am sharing with you as a reference. First I created this one for full moon meditation with Swami Jyotirmaya. Then I saw some things are missing here. So I edited my prompt like this event will be online and Europe wide and timing of the event. Then I created this one poster for silent retreat with Swami Satyajata. I have not shared this both the posters neither with Swami Satyajata nor with Swami Jyotirmaya. I'm just sharing. You can make posters like this also with all the details like a professional poster which can be taken for print. Are you confident now? Will you be able to make posters like this? It's really very simple. You just start making some posters. Every day, few posters, one or two posters, you keep making. Initially for few days. If you don't have any course, so make poster of any quotes of Gurudev. Whichever quote you like, make a poster of that quote. That will give you more confidence. So, happy teaching, happy making posters, and keep spreading this to all the Art of Link teachers and volunteers. And if you like this video, write Jai Gurudev in comments. Thank you. Lots of blessings and love to all.